In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change your Bitmoji hairstyles on Snapchat. Your Bitmoji is an avatar that represents you in the app. It's fun to customize your Bitmoji with different hairstyles to reflect your style and personality. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on your avatar. Then bring this up. And then tap Edit Avatar. Now you can change the hairstyle of your Bitmoji. So scroll through the different hairstyles available and pick the one that you like the best. Tap on it to select it. To change the hair color, tap here. Scroll through and find your desired hair color. You can also select a hair treatment by tapping on this button. Tap and select it. Once you've selected a new hairstyle, tap on the Save button at the top right to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.